So welcome to this video. So this video right here, I'm going to show you how you can monetize your Facebook page using AI, and you monetize this page by just 1 month. Yes, 1 month. So if you're interested, stay to the end and let's catch everything step by step. People are doing it. I'm going to show you the secret that they're using and they're monetizing their page. Before I go to this video right here, let me show you something or tell you something. If you want to start content monetization on Facebook, YouTube, or any other platform, make sure you put it in mind. First, be patient. If you want to create a content and monetize it on social media, make sure you be patient. Don't rush on it, or don't think that what you are doing, you are wasting your time. If you're patient and you create a quality content, you one day get there. People have started social media content or posting on social media. Some have started even more than 4 years and stuff, but later they got monetized. And then the next thing is make sure you post consistent doesn't mean just post anything that you want. Post quality content, especially on Facebook. If you put quality content, you will get monetized very easy and simple. And then Facebook introduced this monetization system, and at first they gave us a requirement that you need to get 5,000 followers and blah 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 before you can get access to this monetization system. If you look at Facebook monetization system right now, if you go to this right here, that's dashboard, and you check for monetization, you will not see anything that tells you that this is what you're supposed to do before you get access to monetize your content. But all that you need to start posting content, and if they see the engagement and stuff that you'll be gaining on Facebook, they will monetize you. So that means that's why it comes with this video that I'm going to show you right here. And if you look at the new AI system that is trending, if you are not using any of these AI tools, that means you are wasting your time. So first and first, you need a Facebook page, because the page is what we are going to use to create our content out there. I don't want anyone to use a profile account. Use a Facebook page. If you don't have some, just go straight forward and create one. If I already created one and you have been posting a lot of saturated content, to create a page, this is the screen right here. Come in and hit on more on your phone. I know you know where to create a page. Just head on to page, and then you get to this start right here. You will see this option where you need to create a page. Then you create a new page. After creating the page, you customize your page, make it look nice. After that, then you are set on the page, right? So last thing is we are going to generate our content, the things that we're going to post on our Facebook to be monetized. And the tool that we're going to use is ChatGPT. I know ChatGPT is a tool that if you're using the phone, you'll be able to have access to ChatGPT, because it's a tool that are now our teacher right here, which answer a lot of questions to us right here. Okay, so now this is my ChatGPT. I come in and I've even posted some of the content. The question that for me, the niche that I pick for this video is financial growth niche. That's what I pick right here, because I know the reason why I picked that one, because a lot of people need this niche right here. So I pick this financial growth niche. You can pick a niche that you want right here. Okay, so you look at the things that the knowledge that you have, you can pick a niche that you want. So if you are struggling on picking a niche, let's open a new window on ChatGPT, and we can set ChatGPT to help us pick a niche. If your interest is in history and stuff, you can tell ChatGPT to help you, guide you get a niche. ChatGPT will suggest a lot of niche for you. When you talk of niche, that means the topic that you are going to post, so that people, anytime they are getting to your page, they know that this is what you've been posting on your content. So when they are coming to your page, they are going to get it. If yours is tools and gadgets, that means you need to pick a tools and gadget example, like a review the new iPhone, the new Samsung phone, the new device that come out. Then that means yours, you don't need the AI, or you can get the AI to write the script for you, or the AI to write about the tools. You get the picture of these two, then you'll be posting it. Let's come here. So I asked ChatGPT, hi, I need to start a 30-day posting on Facebook about financial growth and the millionaire mindset. I will be posting 2 posts a day on writing in simple English. So this is what ChatGPT gave me right here. It said post format. Okay, it will be on morning and evening. So if you look at my content, I gave how I want to post it. So morning and evening, generate the post format for me, and then it has also generated some of the posts. So first day, this is the morning post: millionaire mindset hacks. The think big, start small. This is what he suggests. Big success start with small steps. Don't wait to have everything perfect before you begin. Start with what you have and grow step by step. Millionaire don't delay, they take action even if it's small. The morning post, it comes with the evening post too. They say how track your money. Financial growth tip 1: track your money. You can't grow your money if you don't know where it's going. Write down what you earned and what you spent. Use a small notebook or an app. Track helps you save and plan better. If you scroll down here, I gave ChatGPT some prompts, okay, some command too. I want it to write a script. Sometimes you want to write or you want to record yourself. Example, you put a camera on you and start recording yourself. Okay, so the script for the first post, this is what he wrote: stop scrolling. Okay, so that's the okay, you come out with the hook: stop scrolling. Want to be rich one day? Start by changing how you think today. Most people wait until they have money before they start building wealth, but millionaires think differently. They start with what they have, no matter how small. Okay, so you can even use your phone and go to a platform like Pencil Lab, or you go to a Page, or you go to Pinterest, and you get some small videos that you can also combine, or you start editing, joining this video together, and then you record your voice and direct, then you make your editing. Okay, get those people, those millionaire, how people are working and stuff, then you record yourself. And then here he say, hear the truth: you don't need millionaire to begin, you don't need millions to begin, you don't need perfect condition, you don't need a big dream and the courage to take small steps. And then he came down here. That's what I love about ChatGPT. He came down here. Think about this. Yes, Benson started Amazon in a small garage. Elon Musk started on office floor to save money. They all started small, but they thought big and acted early. So if you record this on your screen, or you use their images and stuff, and you start editing them and you start posting them on Facebook, make sure you edit it well and your hook also what catchy for people to stay on your videos and stuff. Use a lot of and a lot of don't use a lot of this will be posting it and edit it well. So what I will do is I'll just copy this, then I'm going to paste it and make some edit. You can go to a platform like Pinterest, get an image about it. There are so many images that I can download. So let me go and edit my script out here. So I come here, then delete this one here, then remove this stop scrolling here, then remove this one. So after this, copy everything here, then come to Facebook. This is my Facebook wall, so I can go out there and upload the video I just downloaded. I think this is the image I downloaded. I paste the image here. So this is the image, and then this is the text that I wrote about. I paste it here. Okay, so if you read out it, and then I go and hit on next. Okay, so this is the morning post that I have right here. So this is the easier way that you can start using ChatGPT and making sales on Facebook right here. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe, and let's see you in the next video.